Nonro chake kaonti ma Siaya manono ohinga ma mono joma hikgi oniang yudo chenro moket negi kod sirikal. Nonro ma itayo kod riwruok mong'ere kaka Health Age International, riwruok gi Kenya Society for People Living with HIV and AIDS (KESPA) biro rango chenro mag sirikal mopogore opogore kama oting'o inua jamii, omenda mag aeri kod omenda mag NSSF. Kolose kinde yango nonro makamana, apisa mar Health Age International Kenya Rose Bwire wacho ni chenro maket gi mano bende biro time counties ma Kisii, Embu kod kaonti ma Kilifi. Mabiro kaluwore kod nonro mano otim Dagoretti North, Dagoretti South kod Kibra, Nairobi, mano manyiso achiedh nade ma jodongo mantiere bombe kaloe. Duoko ma nonrono ibiro mi sirikal kod jokanyo mamoko kaka yor mar jiwo ratiro mag jodongo e pacho ka.
An intersection between the access to social protection and access to health by the older people, and we actually also realized that quite a number of older people who are above 70 years old were not even receiving inua jamii at the time of the study. But it is important to note that as of last year, the president actually gave a directive to the Ministry of Labour and Social Protection to increase the number of the beneficiaries of inua jamii.
Inua jamii has got issues. Some of them have been reported, some of them haven't been. So we really want to get down and establish what are the challenges from the older persons themselves. When it comes to pension, you realize that some of the retirees take too long to have their pensions dispersed. And that is the time their income had been stopped from the salaries they were receiving. So that gap exposes them to high levels of poverty.
When we are trying to tell the government, the officers, the NGOs and so on, how do we support the older persons, we need to put evidence on the ground, and that is our purpose, and that's why we are with the Health Page.